I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses.
These past 2 days have been absolutely amazing. Lots of firsts for Donovan and I, and we've learned a ton, but most importantly, we feel like our confidence in our abilities has multiplied by 100. Turkey is absolutely gorgeous so far. Exploring the Kekova area with our friends on Wild Odyssey, now named Maxtasy, and our friends on Tiwaka, Elephant, Roxy Summer, and Cunning Plan has been a blast. We missed out on seeing the sunken city, but we'll be back here again to continue exploring, so we're not too fussed about it. Today we head back to our marina in Finike, but we will first make a stop to explore a river with our dinghies that's supposed to have huge turtles. The river is super shallow, and there's a really small, very low bridge at the mouth of the bay, so we're going to have to take the dinghy out of the water and roll it around the bridge, through the sand, and get it back into the river on the other side. This means we're going to get to see how well the integrated tires on our octender work. This is where we set our anchor right here. So this is all the little turns that we did overnight, but we did pretty well. Whoops, I'm moving the steering wheel instead of the... All right, anchor alarm. Okay, so we need to center the steering wheel. Right there. There we go. So we got Cunning Plan in front of us. We are headed on a river excursion. We're gonna take the boats and anchor, and then we're gonna take the dinghies up a river. We got Zoe tied up so she doesn't fall off the bench. Nobody at the helm. I'm actually at the helm. Donovan went to pee off the side of the boat.
Sunlight, dearest sunlight.
We got the wind on the nose, so no sailing right now, because there's really no time to put any sails up anyway. It's a short trip to where the river is. And on the way from Simena Castle, where we anchored last night, to the river we're about to explore, we're making a quick detour through the Smugglers Cove area to see what we've been told is a very protected anchorage to hide out from any storms.
All alone, come on in, open my heart to this world. Open my heart to this world. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I can't find my way out of the womb. Something in me feels like all of me, and we dance all alone. Come on in, open my heart to this world. Open my heart to this world.
Pulling over. The last time we were here, there were some goats.
I see is in light.
Beautiful. Chilling with the villa.
See is in light. Something in me feels like all of me.
What an experience these children are having.
Is in light.
We need air on those wheels. They're flat.
That's right for Sam. It's like, oh, just a bit different.
They're super flat.
Wow, you got wheels and everything.
You have wheels?
No.
Lost it. Lost the wheel. Swing your nose round. You grab that handle. Swing this around.
Charlie!
Hello, Lance. How are you? Ken, you've got your spare fuel, eh? Yeah. Good. Just like in South Carolina.
Yeah, it does get a little shallow over here, so
Yeah.
just FYI.
Motor.
Oh my god.
Not stowed up, by the way.
Yeah, thanks for letting us know.
That's funny.
I'm gonna put more weight on the front. Because it's definitely shallow over here.
Yes.
Oh crap. I hope
Want
we
me to
have
go down? Go down. I can go down. I won't worry. Okay, I'm gonna go down.
Hang on, babe. Don't do anything drastic because she's in front of the boat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't sign.
Are you in the water?
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't sign.
Watch your legs.
That's great. I'm gonna swing the boat.
Are you now?
I'm gonna push you over there.
Man, Mama's superwoman. Good gosh.
That's it.
Oh my gosh. They got stuck back there too.
Weird. Let
It's
me.
like
A little bit this way. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's it. Now forward. That's good. Forward, forward, forward. Wow.
Ooh, I hope all that stuff doesn't get stuck in our... Oh, they're coming back now.
Are we going back?
Oh, we got stuck. Did you put the wheels back in?
They're up.
They're putting their motors up a little bit.
And then go
So they're right against the weeds on the left a little bit.
left side. Whoa. Probably lots of fish there, Davi.
We're lifting motors again. Am I in your way? Do you want me to sit there?
You need to sit, yeah. I'm gonna gun it, see if I can get through here.
Yeah.
You're doing good. Doing good.
Just watch the branches on the kids' faces.
I see it. I see it.
What mine is here?
Yeah.
Helping them, that's it. Oh, there's a river here. Oh, I mean a bridge before.
Oh, there's a couple of more rocks right there.
I see him. My
And look at this side.
thing's up a little
Stay
high.
left. Stay left.
Go left. That's it, that's good.
See all these right here? And we're passing over some right now. So look, look, look.
Fish, Jody, keep an eye on the fish.
Less prop is in them.
I love more on the right. Yeah, stay this on the channel. A little bit left. More on the left.
Got it. There we go.
I'm your eye here.
Yes, thank you.
Wow, it's quite a long way. So you guys traveling back today?
Yes.
Yeah, we're not going to risk the weather
Yeah, then.
tomorrow.
No, that's true. There's probably in Finicky you're gonna get like 35 knots of wind. And
Wow.
then in Kekova it's like 29. There's another right.
See those? Yep, yep. We'll have to split the hairs right here, boy.
Yeah, there's big ones here. Oh,
More on the left.
We're going left.
More on the left. And there's another. Down. That's it. And then.
Man, you're mastering driving this thing, babe.
Rolling still,
That's good. We're doing
my prop is still not all the way in the water.
a little bit there.
There goes Daddy. We'll catch up.
Hey, babe.
That turtle is huge.
Big, Sammy turtle.
Did you see it, babe?
Big.
I see it. I was trying to get the container out of the water.
Why is the painter in the water?
Yes.
Oh my. But there's another one.
He said stop.
Yeah,
when you
because
get
there's
there.
another one.
Oh, dude. Oh my gosh,
It's enormous.
look at that. Ah, there's a glare on the water.
Tortuga.
Well, we just saw 2, so there's gotta be more.
We saw 3.
I expected after the initial
Yeah.
congestion.
They're smart to come way back there.
Look how long your fuel goes. We're testing it.
Knock on
Don't
wood.
say anything.
Test.
Knock on wood.
That's like testing a car. You only would do that once.
Mountain. Mountain.
You know what I haven't seen since I've been here?
Difficult to find these things.
I don't even have to. Up, keep blowing it up.
Blow, Tanya, blow. There's a big old hole on their dinghy. The air is completely coming out, so they had to lose 2 passengers.
Things happen.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
All right, deja vu. Hey, y'all need to look for the turtles. Oh man,
Wow.
you could have
A
some.
pig!
Yeah, I can do without the pig. I would rather look at live turtles than dead pigs any day.
That
Hey,
is-
babe, are you paying attention where you're going? Because
Babe, I'm
I'm
not
just
even.
saying. That's the
Really?
wind,
The
isn't
wind's
it?
pushing me. I got it.
Kids, cover your eyes. Cover your eyes.
You too.
All right. Drunk driver over here. Oh my God.
We're okay. No drinking allowed.
I can do a racing with him.
Donovan woke up this morning and did a couple of shots
I
of vodka.
challenge you to race. Timing for can. Anyway, it's going back.
Is that how we came from over there?
Yeah, because there's debris and I think rocks are wrong.
All right, well, I'm glad one of us was paying attention because I would have never
I
known
would
which way to
never
go.
thought.
I wasn't paying any attention.
I was because
I can't find my car in a parking lot of a shopping center, so
Oh, there's a big. Oh no, not that. That looks like it.
turtle.
gotta be right in here.
Is that it right there? Right there.
Oh, here. Turtle.
He just went underneath the boat.
They ain't even moving.
That's the best thing.
I
for
wonder
him
if it's
to not
dead.
panic.
Okay, we didn't bother it.
We made it. One boat was deflated. Got a big gash on it, but they made it back to their boat. I would think they made it back to their boat because they're not here. So he's gonna have to use a pretty big patch to fix it.
Stu said that they wouldn't have any problem going back. Yeah, as long as the other one's still inflated.
Yeah. Even if it filled up with water, they're not going to sink.
Yeah, Tanya was holding it up, the inflated side.
Yeah, you don't want to put the water in.
They're gonna
Still down.
watch those rocks, huh?
I said the tires are still down.
Are they really?
I can't get them up. It's either up or down. They won't come out.
Look at Isla. She's in the middle of the bridge.
Her mom already picked her up.
She's gonna dive in. She has no fear, that little one. Good gosh. That was a great adventure. We would have never done this by ourselves.
Why not? We need more
We,
gas.
I know you. Look at the camera. Tell me you would have done this.
Yeah.
You would have been like, we're gonna scratch the boat. We're gonna
Babe,
dirty it.
We scratched. I mean, it's a boat.
We're not, we're gonna mess up the motor or the propeller or whatever. We definitely did a lot of things out of our comfort zone, I will say that. Zavi is following us.
They're gonna stay here, I think.
Yeah, they're staying here through the storm because Stu prefers to be on anchor during the storm than in a marina, which I understand. But how's your birthday going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. We're sailing back to the marina from our couple of days outing, and we are just around the corner. Wild Odyssey is directly ahead of us, and we're slowing down so we can let them in and let them dock, so that by the time we get in, the marineros are ready and rested to help us. So we are as ready as we're gonna be. Our first docking by ourselves. So we'll see what happens. Slow. Yeah, we're gonna go slow. We're in no hurry. Slow like a pro. I made it. I'm in. I didn't take anybody out. Well, I'm not in yet. I'm still floating around, as a matter of fact. I need to maybe. Everybody came out and not a single person videoed this. Oh my God. Day after our trip. We're on load number 4 now. Washing right now. Donovan gave a very good washing to the dinghy, much needed. It was filthy. Man, that dinghy looks so much better now. She's exhausted from all the napping that she did during the whole trip. She leads such a rough life.